Every day is a new adventure.
Bronte Fabrications is a specialist in engineering, machining, and welding for the cryogenic and gas industries, supplies new build pressure vessels, and performs repairs with certification to American Society of Mechanical Engineers Code requirements.
I get to work with my family for the most part, so it is pretty neat to be able to watch the company grow from my dad's garage and then grow into something like this, and then on top of that be a part of it.
Every day I come to a new adventure.
There's never a typical day.
You need to be innovative, definitely. Nothing here is going to be the same thing twice for the most part. When you're working here, you have to be able to come up with solutions right on the spot. You need to be able to come up with custom solutions all the time, so nothing's going to be the same.
Important qualities to work here. Skill, knowledge of the job.
You have to have a steady hand and just a good personality.
If there's a problem, we solve it kind of thing, and we just make sure that at the end of the day, every job gets done properly and it gets done on time.
Technology has definitely changed this job.
As we're building these new machines and vessels and assemblies, is a lot of what we're building is changing, and we're kind of seeing the evolution of the amount of material that can be teleported at one point in time or transported or whatever it might be.
Merging with Chart Industries has been a huge beneficial part in that.
Higher volumes, bigger pieces, better equipment, faster working actuators, faster working valves, whatever it might be. So we actually see the technology that we're installing transforming a little bit more than the technology that we're using on a daily basis.
What's so cool about manufacturing? It's the end product. It's what you build. It's how you build it. When you see it at the end is your reward.